How to use Apple AirTag with iPhone. AirTags make the most of Apple's U1 chip to offer correct location data, permitting you to find a misplaced AirTag with an incredible diploma of accuracy. The catch is loads of iPhones don't embrace the U1 chip. The iPhone 10 and older iPhones don't have it, and it was additionally omitted of the second-era iPhone SE, although the chip was already around when that telephone was launched. As of the M1 iPad Professional, 2021, no iPad has it both. You need to use AirTags with older iPhones, iPads, and even Macs, however you possibly can't entry the entire performance. It's also possible to arrange AirTags with an older iPhone, so you should utilize AirTags even in the event you haven't up-to-date your iPhone shortly, or you've gotten a second-era iPhone SE which lacks a U1 chip. The largest distinction between utilizing AirTags with older iPhones and the newer iPhones, with the U1 chip, is you possibly can't use the precision discovering function in case your telephone doesn't have the U1 chip. Without the U1 chip, your telephone can also assist different individuals discover their misplaced AirTags in the event you occur to seek out yourself in short proximity to a misplaced AirTag. You possibly can nonetheless verify a misplaced AirTag for a message in case your older iPhone has NFC, however your telephone cannot routinely sense a misplaced AirTag and ping Apple with its location in the event you don't have the M1 chip. The best way to set up AirTags with older iPhones. You possibly can arrange an AirTag with an older iPhone, however there are some limits. Your iPhone must be working iOS 14.5 or newer. Discover My must be turned on, it is advisable to turn on Bluetooth, and it is advisable to turn on location services. When you've got an iPad working iPadOS 14.5 or later and meets the opposite necessities, it's also possible to use the iPad to arrange AirTags. Right, here's how one can arrange AirTags with an older iPhone. Be certain your iPhone has Discover My, Bluetooth, and location companies all turned on. Take away the wrapping out of your AirTag and pull out the tab to activate the battery. Your AirTag will play a sound if it's able to arrange. In case you don't hear a sound, be certain that the battery tag was absolutely eliminated. Maintain your AirTag near your iPhone or iPad. See a message that a couple of AirTag was detected? Transfer your different AirTags away out of your telephone so just one is near your telephone at a time. Choose an merchandise identify from the supplied record, or choose customized title in the event you don't see a reputation you wish to use. Faucet proceed. Faucet proceed once more to register the AirTag together with your Apple ID. Watch for the setup cursive to complete, then Faucet accomplished. Repeat this cursive if in case you have further AirTags. The best way to use AirTags with older telephones. You need to use AirTags together with your older iPhone via the Discover My app identical to newer iPhones, with the exception being the precision discovering function shall be locked out. Which means you should utilize your older iPhone to place an AirTag into misplaced mode, view a misplaced AirTag's location on a map, and rename AirTags. You could wish to present a telephone quantity and message if you activate misplaced mode on your AirTags, as you cannot be capable to use precision discovering to pinpoint your AirTags when you arrive at their location. Right, here's how one can discover your AirTags with an older iPhone. Open the Discover My app in your iPhone. Faucet Objects. Faucet the lacking merchandise on the map for extra data. Faucet Instructions, then go to the situation indicated on the map. When you arrive on the final identified location, open Discover My and faucet the lacking merchandise on the map once more. Faucet Play Sound. In case your AirTag is inside Bluetooth Fairy, it should play a tone. If the AirTag doesn't play a tone, change your place whereas remaining within the neighborhood of the final identified location of the AirTag and faucet Play Sound once more. It's also possible to faucet cease sound in the event you discover the merchandise whereas the sound continues to be lively. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.